Question number 231. A salesperson at Summit Solutions created a useful personal chart and you need to make it available for your entire team to use. What is the correct action to take? Option A. Share the chart with the team. Option B. Assign the chart to each person on the team. Option C. Export the user chart to Power BI. Import the chart as Power BI visualization. Option D. Export the user chart for import as a user chart. The correct answer is option A. Share the chart with the team. Question number 232. You are building a model-driven app for the project management team at Contoso Consulting. You need to create the sitemap that will define the app's navigation structure. Which three actions must you perform in sequence? On the left side, you have the actions. On the right side, you need to choose the action in the correct order. The correct order is add an area, add a group, add a sub-area. Question number 233. As a consultant explaining the PowerFX language to new citizen developers at Nova Solutions, which fundamental characteristic of the language should you identify? Option A. It is available for purchase through a Microsoft reseller. Option B. It uses a plugin. Option C. It uses imperative and declarative logic. Option D. It uses synchronous data operations. The correct answer is option C. It uses imperative and declarative logic. Question number 234. You are configuring the new public-facing Power Pages site for Van Arstel Limited, which utilizes web roles for both anonymous and authenticated visitors. A test user representing an anonymous visitor can successfully access the home page, but is unable to view the services page, which is linked from the home page. What is the most likely cause of this permission issue? Option A. The setting to make the page available to everyone is disabled. Option B. Inherited permissions are not enabled for the linked page. Option C. The authenticated user's web role does not have permission to view the page. Option D. Maintenance mode is enabled on the portal. The correct answer is option A. The setting to make the page available to everyone is disabled. Question number 235. The Digital Solutions team at Global Innovations is designing a Power Virtual Agents chatbot. The Power Platform environment they want to use isn't visible in the Power Virtual Agents user interface. What step should they take to ensure they can create a chatbot in that environment? Option A. Change the region of the environment. Option B. Convert the environment to a sandbox environment. Option C. Create an environment in a supported region. The correct answer is option C. Create an environment in a supported region. Just a quick reminder, if you don't have time to watch these videos and instead Download all questions and answers. Feel free to purchase them on Buy Me a Coffee page. I have shared the link below. Question number 236. The digital experience team at Quantum Dynamics is developing a Power Virtual Agent chatbot for their customer-facing Power Apps portal app. The job title of users must be stored automatically when users log in, and this job title must always appear in the chatbot. You need to configure this job title functionality. Which mechanism should you use? Option A, artificial intelligence. Option B, variable. Option C, entity. Option D, topic. The correct answer is option B, variable. Question number 237. The digital innovations team at Pedal Pulse Cycle is developing a Microsoft Power Virtual Agent chatbot. When a customer types a bicycle brand name or terms like helmet or shoes, the chatbot needs to automatically direct them to the accessories section. Which two functions should you configure? Option A, entities. Option B, fallback topic. Option C, smart matching. Option D, synonyms. Option E, slot filling. The correct answers are option A, entities. Option D, synonyms. Question number 238. As a Power Platform Administrator at Omnicorp, a global company with offices in Mexico, United States, and France, you are tasked by the Global Benefit team to configure a new Microsoft Teams chatbot for employee benefit questions. This chatbot must support local languages for users in each region and be accessible exclusively to full-time employees. You need to configure the chatbot to meet these requirements. What should you do? The first question is chatbot in local language. The correct answer is create 3 chatbots, one for each language. The second question is employee access. The correct answer is share the chatbot with the full-time employees. Question number 239. The IT service department at Global Innovations is developing a new Power Virtual Agent bot that requires single sign-on capability for seamless user authentication. You need to publish the bot. Which 2 locations should you use? Option A, mobile app developed for iOS and Android. Option B, website developed using Pro Developer tools. Option C, Microsoft Teams. Option D, Azure Bot Service Channels. The correct answers are option C, Microsoft Teams. Option D, Azure Bot Service Channels. Question number 240. The digital outreach team at ConnectFlow Innovations is planning to develop a Power Virtual Agent bot. This bot must provide the company's address information and needs to be accessible both through Microsoft Teams and the company's public website. You need to configure the bot for this purpose. Which component should you use? Option A, channel. Option B, template. Option C, composer. Option D, skill. The correct answer is option A, channel.